Running a small business means juggling scheduling, payroll, time tracking, and automation, and doing it all efficiently. The right workforce management tools save time, prevent mistakes, and keep everything running smoothly. Today, I'm sharing the best workforce management software in 2025 tools that I use in my own business to stay organized and productive. They help with team collaboration, automation, payroll, and website management to create a seamless workflow. So let's get into it. I'm Phil Pallen, and in this video, we're talking about workforce management tools that help you run your business efficiently. These aren't just any tools. I use all of them daily in my own business to stay organized, track finances, and automate processes. We'll start with project management, accounting, and automation, and then move into payroll, websites, and finally, an all-in-one workforce management tool that is Connecteam. Let's walk through how each of the tools work and why they're worth considering. Notion is a must-have for business owners, especially when you're getting started. It handles everything from project management to internal documentation, even team collaboration. I love using Notion templates. You can see I've got a bunch here. Building project workflows, organizing team notes, or even creating a client-facing wiki. My friend Becca from Inside the Square uses Notion religiously in this example to deliver her freebies, valuable digital documents that she gives for free in exchange for someone signing up with their email address. This is one of those, and it integrates with tools like Zapier and QuickBooks, making it even more powerful. Notion runs on a freemium model, so you can start for free with limited features like basic page analytics and a 7-day version history. It's a great starting point. But stick around because the final tool that I'm recommending today, also free and arguably even more powerful for workforce management. Next up, one of my favorite platforms for accounting, which I know doesn't sound exciting, but it does help you send invoices and make money, and trust me, that is exciting. Xero is one of the best accounting tools for small businesses, in my opinion. Send invoices, track expenses, monitor cash flow. You can see everything here at a glance on your dashboard. Total cash in and out, bills you need to pay, accounts watch list. It automates bank reconciliations to save time, and it integrates with payroll and workforce management tools. And here's an example invoice that I would send to my clients, itemizing everything, making it very simple to either download this or send a link to pay digitally. And best of all, that invoice can be branded and look beautiful according to your brand's fonts and colors, which is something very important to me. So I definitely recommend it. Ever wonder how to delegate those pesky repetitive tasks that small business owners can lose valuable time and energy to? I've got the perfect tool for that, connecting your favorite apps and automating repetitive tasks. Zapier is one of the best known tools for syncing data between apps. It automates repetitive tasks like sending emails or updating spreadsheets without you needing to write any code. Here's an example from my account. This workflow, or Zap, starts with a trigger. In this case, someone subscribing via ManyChat. The action, Zapier sends their info, name, and email to Flowdesk, a platform that doesn't natively integrate with ManyChat. It's an amazing one for email marketing, by the way. It's simple. Trigger leads to an action. Zapier connects tools that wouldn't normally talk to each other, saving hours of manual work. There are literally thousands of ways to use it for your business. Even if it feels a little overwhelming at first, start with something small and build from there. I use Zapier to automate workflows between all of my workforce tools, reducing errors and keeping everything updated. Next up, the platform that I use that handles bookkeeping and payroll. QuickBooks makes it easy to process payroll for both employees and contractors. It handles tax calculations automatically, helping you stay compliant and avoid costly errors. What I like most is how well it integrates with other tools, so Xero, Zapier, which you just saw, and Connecteam, which you'll see shortly. So your payroll, finance, and workforce data all stay in sync. If managing payments is a pain point in your business, this is a tool worth having in your stack. Your workforce management tool should connect with your online presence. That's where a tool like Wix comes in. Wix makes building a website ridiculously easy, even if you have zero design experience. So you start here just by describing the kind of site you want. And in seconds, literally seconds, it generates a custom starting point. In this example, I said I'm a brand strategist and a content creator. You saw. Wix suggested a layout, helped me define my goals, and even offered a business name. From there, I can tweak the design, fonts, layout using their drag and drop editor. It's seriously impressive. For small businesses, a website isn't optional. This is where hiring, employee portals, and team communication often begin. Wix makes that process accessible. You also get built-in tools for SEO, booking systems, e-commerce, and with the right setups, your forms and contact pages can even sync with your workforce tools. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect of workforce management, and this for me is where Connecteam comes in as an all-in-one platform for scheduling, time tracking, team communication, and daily operations. Connecteam's drag and drop scheduler lets you build the week in minutes. Use auto-assign to easily draft your week's schedule, or one of my favorites, copy from previous week, and it's done for you in just seconds. Employees can swap shifts or request time off right from the app without manager micromanagement. It's flexible, visual, and easy for everyone to follow. Employees clock in and out using GPS if this optional setting is turned on by the employer, so you know exactly where work is happening. Think food trucks or delivery men and women. It even tracks breaks and flags overtime, helping you stay compliant to avoid costly errors. Their hours are automatically logged into a digital timesheet ready to sync with payroll tools like QuickBooks or Gusto. Built-in chat lets employees message each other or their manager instantly, no third-party apps needed. Finally, company announcements go through the newsfeed, so everyone sees updates in real time. Connecteam is free for teams of up to 10 people. Larger teams can try it risk-free with a 14-day free trial. It's budget-friendly, it's built for scale, and it's designed to grow with your business, which is why I love it. This makes Connecteam an essential tool for businesses with mobile or deskless teams. So which tool is best for your business? If you need project management, Notion keeps everything organized. If you want accounting and invoicing, Xero is a fantastic choice. If you're automating workflows, Zapier connects all your tools. If you need payroll and tax management, QuickBooks is a solid option. If your business needs a website, Wix makes it easy. And for scheduling, time tracking, and team communication and more, Connecteam really is the best all-in-one workforce management solution. These are the best workforce management tools in 2025. I've linked to all of them below so you can check them out. Which tool do you use the most? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments. We can keep the conversation going on down there. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on business tools, strategy, and productivity. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.